Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. So if you're like me and you have problems with blackheads on your nose, on your chin, wherever, I have a simple recipe of just a lemon and baking soda. Go ahead and keep watching. All right, so here are my results. Look at how empty my freaking pores are. You can literally see my pores and that they're empty. Oh my gosh. My nose was my biggest problem, so I was super happy. I'm gonna definitely keep using this, and yeah, thanks for watching, love. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.